Removing an IKEA kitchen drawer is simple, but it's important to know that there are two types of attachment mechanisms for the rails. The older type has a metal latch. In the older version, after pulling the drawer out, you lift its front upward. In the newer version, you need to unlock the plastic clip, pull the drawer toward you, and then lift it upward. Reassembly is even easier. You need to place the drawer on the rails, push it in, and press on both sides. You should hear clicks.